It's time to get serious about your affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to boost the potential revenues of any online business. Website owners have to know, though, that affiliate programs are not money fountains. Affiliate marketing only produces profits in proportion to the effort webmasters put into it. This video includes some ideas for maximizing the effects of those efforts. Affiliate marketing requires a lot more than selling great products. It also requires you keeping an up-to-date site to work as your digital shop. Use current web layouts or news on your domain to keep the patron's attention. If you let your design or products run out of date, you will notice that you can't bring in those same quality customers you could previously. Who doesn't love a bit of free advertising? Get your business, and your website, listed in free business directories. There are many out there, such as Yelp, YellowPages.com, and InfoUSA. Listing with them can lead to a boost in website traffic as well as a boost in the success of your business. In order to run a successful affiliate marketing business, you have to attract the right consumers to your website. Writing videos that are relevant to the product or products you are selling is an efficient way to do this. For example, if you are promoting natural health remedies, post videos on your website about arthritis, the benefits of natural health remedies, or how garlic can ease joint pain. Consumers looking for information that pertains to the products you are sponsoring are more likely to pull out their credit cards and increase your monthly sales. Putting together a good affiliate marketing strategy takes time, hard work, and lots of research. Put into practice the tips in this video. There are webmasters out there, lots of them, realizing healthy profits from their affiliate programs. The things these webmasters have in common are dedication and a thorough self-education in making affiliate marketing work for them. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.